So here we are at Honey's Harvest Farm. What we're looking at may appear to be a massive garden of sweet potatoes on a mound. However, this is one single sweet potato slip that has grown into a massive growth of sweet potato vine. Now, how could this possibly happen from one sweet potato slip? Well, come to our Sweet Potato Fest on Saturday, November 3rd and get the scoop. So this video is for Eric and Chris. Connor, what do you have to say about this plant now?
I think it's ready for harvest.
Uh-oh, it's Monday. We thought maybe we could wait till Friday, but we can see some of these leaves really got affected last night by that frost.
See, the soil is really alive.
Even though this soil was just built. When was this built, Connor? In May?
This was
planted in May.
built last fall, last winter, maybe around December time frame.
So the layers were
And
built.
then it sat until May, which is when the potato was planted.
Oh my gosh, it's still going. Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Presenting our baby
At Honey's Harvest Farm.